Do you want to create bubble balloons like this with mini balloons inside and a really clean look? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's start with what you need. Here we have air pump, a bubble balloon, a few 5-inch latex balloons, few ribbon tassels, and also one vinyl sticker. First, we inflate the bubble balloon with air. This helps stretch the balloon and makes it easier to work with. After that, let out some air and open the bottom part slightly so we can insert the balloons later. Next, we fill the bubble balloon with air again to give it some shape. Insert the latex balloon into the bubble balloon and keep it at the bottom so we can inflate it properly. Using a stick makes this step much easier. Once the latex balloon is inside, inflate it with air. Tie the latex balloon and gently push it fully into the bubble balloon and cut off the excess tail. We will show this process one more time so you can see it clearly. After inserting multiple latex balloons, we let the air out of the bubble balloon. This allows us to refill it with the helium later. Now, fill the bubble balloon with helium until it's fully round. Tie the bubble balloon securely and attach a long ribbon. We tie the ribbon to a weight ring so the balloon stays in place and does not fly away. Next, we use ribbon tassels to cover the tight area. This gives the balloon a cleaner and more decorative finish. Now, let's add the vinyl sticker. The sticker is already on transfer tape. If you'd like to learn how to make vinyl stickers, you can refer to our vinyl sticker video. Carefully align the sticker on the bubble balloon and press evenly. Once everything is struck properly, slowly peel off the transfer tape. After removing the tape, check for any missed out parts and press them down gently. And that's it! Your bubble balloon is now complete, floating beautifully with mini balloons inside and a clean vinyl finish. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more balloon and DIY tutorials. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon.